Okay, we're gonna keep on going here. We're gonna move on to this next box off to the right. And go ahead and start adding more lines here to complete this drawing, and we'll work on completing this drawing. So once again, just kind of buckle down with yourself and doing these kind of drawings. Have a little fun with it. Try to stay, focused on, again, one box at a time. And just keep going along. And then, and this particular box here that we're working on here to the right, we have actually completed all the lines that were really necessary for completing this area here. So we're gonna move on here down to our center box, and we're gonna continue on down here in this area. Again, sketch your lines in. Work diligently. And you'll get there. Patience is the key. Or it's one of the keys, I should say, in drawing. Yes. But you will get there. Okay, so that completes this box here off to the right in our center area. And I do hope that you all find this video here that I've just created here very useful and helpful for your future drawings, or even maybe your current drawings that you're planning on to get started on. But yeah, this is something good to definitely implement into your tool belt as far as a technique that can be useful for getting things well aligned into your drawing. So this will conclude my video for today, and I hope that again that this will be helpful for you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Do turn on your post notifications so that you are notified when I do post new videos here. And until my next video, take care and bye for now.